Imagine capturing the magic of every season with your own sand art pictures. With Sand Art Seasons, you can create stunning, colorful art that celebrates each time of the year. Sand Art Seasons come with everything you need to get started. You'll find a variety of vibrant colored sands and design boards to make your creations perfect. It's the perfect way to explore creativity and make beautiful keepsakes. How to create sand art. Choose a design board that reminds you of your favorite season. Peel off a section, sprinkle your colored sand gently, and let the artwork begin. Use the sand collector tool to gather leftover sand and repeat until your masterpiece is complete. Imagine spring with its fresh greens and pink blues, summer with its bright yellows and ocean blues, autumn with its warm oranges and browns, and winter with its icy whites and cool blues. Sand Art Seasons let you bring each season to life in your own colorful way. Experience the seasons with Funskool Sand Art Seasons, a world of color, creativity, and endless fun. Funskool, true to kids always.